Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create new Active Directory user account on the Windows Server 2022. Let's go to RDC man and connect to our Windows Server. As you see, I am logged in with domain account. Now let's go to Active Directory users and computers. Expand this. Go to users. In this OU, right click and click on new and click user to create user account. Let's name it as Praveen and give it second name. Let's give it logon name as P Shivkumar and click next. Let's give it a password. Click next and click finish. As you see, our user account is created. Double click on this. Let's go to the account. As you see, the logon name is P Shivkumar at ps.local. As you see, this account is set to never expire. Let's set it to expire by December 31st, 2024. Let's go to member of. Let's add some permission for this account. Click on advanced. Click find now. Let's add this account for the built-in administrator and also add it as a DNS administrator, domain admins, and enterprise admin, and also to the schema admins. Click OK. As you see, all the roles have been populated here. Click OK now and click apply and OK. So this is how we create users on Active Directory users and computers normally. So let's learn how to create user account in bulk. To make it easier, I have created an Excel file with 20 plus users and also created a temporary password. And also I have added few fields like mobile number, office phone, city, the display name, company, and username, division, and few other fields. Along with this Excel file, I have also created few PowerShell scripts to create the organizational units or the OUs and also set the managers for this account automatically. So let's create OUs first. Copy this PowerShell script to the server and then go to PowerShell. Clear screen. Now let's go to desktop. Let me increase the font size. Let's open the file, create OUs PS1 and hit enter. So as you see, this script has executed successfully and there are no errors. So let's go to users and computers and right click on the root directory, hit refresh. As you see, PowerShell script has created this OU and also created the sub OUs for different divisions. And if I expand, you can also see there are dedicated OUs for groups and users on all these departments. Now let's create users on this OUs using the PowerShell script. So let's go to the Excel sheet which we created and scroll to the right. As you see, on the column T, we have mentioned the OUs. On the column U, we can see the PowerShell script, which is calculated automatically using the Excel concatenation formula. So let's copy all these and go to our server, go to PowerShell and right click to paste the PowerShell script. As you see, it is executing the PowerShell scripts and creating the user accounts. Let's go to users and computers again and refresh the directory here. And let's go to founder and co-founder. Let's go to users. As you see, Catherine Wilkins is added as the user. And if I just double click and go to properties, you can see the telephone number is added. And also in the address, you can see the city, state, zip code, and the country. Everything is automatically populated. And if you go to telephone, you can also see the mobile number is added. And if you go to organization, you can see the job title is automatically added, department is added, and the company is also added. Let's verify the same for other OU users as well. As you see, we have all the users created, and the only pending task is to add the manager for these users. So once you have this file created and all the fields are populated, save this file as CSV. As you see, it's warning us that some of the formats and the formulas will go away. This is fine. Click OK. Let's close this. Now let's copy this CSV file and set manager PowerShell script and go to the server, create new folder, bulk users, and paste it in the same folder. Both of these files should be on the same folder to execute this particular script successfully. So let's change directory on the PowerShell to the newly created folder and run this PowerShell script to set the managers for these users. Let's ignore this error and go to users and computers, refresh the OU, and let's go to a random users OU. Let's select a random user, and if you go to organization, you can see the manager name is automatically set. Let's check for few more users. As you see, the manager attribute is already set, and Tristan is a sales manager. Hence, he has the direct reportees and he is reporting to Catherine Wilkins. So this is how you can create the users in bulk and set managers for these particular users. I will share this Excel file and the scripts on my website, and I will also share the link for all these resources in the description. Please check it out. I hope this video was informative and hope to see you on the next one.